Imagine that. Another McDonald's drive-thru, another epic water feature. All you other McDonald's out there, take note.
McDonald's and you.
Burger King, Chick-fil-A, take note.
Get you one.
Imagine pulling up to a drive-thru.
This is Stone Cold ET, and I want to order a couple of cheeseburgers, and that's the bottom line.
See a nice hot cheeseburger, crispy french fries, you know, maybe a Diet Coke, who knows? Maybe you're on a diet, I don't know, who knows? Then you come through and you see this.
Egg McMuffin under a waterfall.
Fast food restaurants, regular restaurants, homeowners, you need this in your life. Go get you one.
McDonald's.